Every business with a bank account has to answer the same question, thousands of times a year. What was this payment for? Most software answers with a guess. Travel. 91% confident. That's fine, right up until somebody asks why. And the model was fairly sure is not an answer you can give an auditor. FinLang answers differently. You write the rule yourself, in plain text, in language a finance team can actually read. If the counterparty looks like Uber, it's travel. Run it, and every transaction comes back with a category and the name of the rule that decided it. Not a probability, a reason. Because the rules are fixed, the same input and the same rules produce the same output. Every time. Nothing retrains overnight. Nothing quietly drifts. It can also check its own work. Whether the data underneath was altered. How its answers compare, row by row, against whatever model you already run. What a rule change does, before you make it. It's open source, it runs on your own machine, and the engine makes no network calls at all. Your transactions stay where they are. FinLang. Categorisation you can explain.